Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to activate Vanguard. Riot Games' anti-cheat system, Vanguard, is essential for playing Valorant. Typically, it activates automatically when you launch the game for the first time. If you're encountering issues, a simple restart of your computer often resolves the problem. This ensures all necessary components load correctly, allowing you to jump into your matches without delay and enjoy the game. Sometimes, Vanguard might not activate smoothly. A quick computer restart is often the first and best step. Also, check your firewall settings to make sure Vanguard isn't being blocked, as this can prevent it from running. If problems persist, a complete reinstallation of Valorant can often clear up any corrupted files or installation errors, getting you back into the action. If automatic activation fails, you might need to prompt it manually. Simply open the Riot client and launch Valorant. If Vanguard is not installed or active, the game should detect this and prompt you to install it. Just follow the clear, on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This ensures all anti-cheat measures are in place for fair gameplay. For more stubborn issues, consider checking for any conflicting software that might interfere with Vanguard. Programs like other anti-cheat systems or certain security software can sometimes cause problems. Always ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated, as outdated software can lead to unexpected errors. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.